Hey, welcome back to Right on the Money, your go-to resource for the financial topics that matter most to you. Now, if you are just joining us, we are sitting here with Desmond Taylor, partner with CLC Financial Services in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Fayetteville or Fedville? It depends on where you're from,
Fayetteville.
Right? Okay, in Arkansas, they say there's a Fayetteville and they say Fedville.
We're in North Carolina.
Oh, fair point. Okay, since I probably just confused everybody with that, let's go ahead. Let's get your contact information is up on the screen, but I have to ask you, I'm watching this episode. What is the best way for me to get a hold of you?
You can always call into the office. If you call into the office, you'll get a person that will get you scheduled on the calendar. We have a calendar link on the website. You can go on the website, find all of that information. You can also shoot us an email as well.
I want to talk about tech and then the longevity advantage. What role does technology play in the way you build retirement strategies?
The technology that we use is used to simplify and to make clear what I think in the financial industry can be overly complicated or a lot of jargon that's used.
Mm-hmm.
So the way that we use it is to simplify the accounts, simplify what's happening in the accounts, whether it be what we're doing or what the person has experienced before. So there's a lot of moving parts within the accounts, but we want to make sure that we're being clear and transparent on what's going on, what was going on, and what's going to be happening moving forward.
How much time do you feel you spend kind of bridging that gap of those who are retired, understanding all this technology and cutting through the noise?
When we're building the retirement plans and we're showing what's going on in the accounts, we're able to do it in a pretty seamless manner, right? We're able to do it quickly and efficiently, and we're also able to show it in an easy way, again, for the person to understand. Whereas, a lot of people try to have this weird blend of and it's like this hybrid mix of stuff, and we try to use it. A lot of times we're still doing old school methods as far as putting stuff in writing. We're giving physical plans to our to the people that we're working with, but we're also understand that retirement planning is dynamic, and to keep up with what's going on, and especially in a changing world, you have to understand this technology, but you have to understand how to simplify it for people.
I want to talk about longevity. Now people are living 20, 30, 40 years in retirement. And I think you'd agree that they need to make retirement plans that'll last as long as they do. But then also selecting an advisor, you need to select someone that's going to be around as long as you are, right?
Yeah. So there's two parts to what you just said there. One is making sure that you're addressing longevity risk, mm-hmm. right? Longevity risk is a risk that you run into in retirement, and a lot of people will, going back to that Social Security because it can be an important topic, will use what's called a break-even analysis. Mm-hmm. And in order to break through that break-even analysis, which for those that don't know what a break-even analysis is, it's essentially saying that at age 62, you're eligible to start Social Security. Age 70 is the latest delayed retirement credit that you get. So if you start at age 62, mm-hmm. it's true that the amount is lower compared to age 70, but for how long do you have to draw that amount starting at age 70 to catch up for all the years that you didn't have it if you started at age 62? And where a lot of people go wrong is they fail to factor in taxes. Mm-hmm. And so where we use the technology and where we use a lot of the software in our firm is to show that, right? Because that can be very complicated to try to figure out, because everybody's situation is different, everybody's tax situation is different. And so while there's some factors like health and other things that are kind of extenuating, but it's also what is your tax situation, and then how can you do projections based off of your retirement situation to estimate, not only or to estimate when you should start Social Security, but to also make sure that you're addressing that longevity risk through creating a retirement plan that's robust and able to deliver the income that you need throughout. What we plan to be 95 to 100 years old for our clients.
We're going to come back after the break. If you like the show, hit that like button. Click subscribe. That way you won't miss a single show. We'll see you on the other side.